Hello students, let's start with today's topic, upper triangular and lower triangular matrices in Numpy. First of all, import Numpy as NP. Let A is the array, NP dot triangular upper let us pass some elements 1, 2, 3, then print A. That's upper triangular matrix. If you know about upper triangular matrix, what is the meaning of this? It means all the elements in the upper triangle are non-zero and in the lower triangular 0. All the element in lower triangle is 0 and other elements may be as it is. Suppose I write 0, you can print 0 also. Yes, you can print 0, the fourth element. So second element is also 0, you can print the element as it is. But the condition is all the elements in lower triangle are 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 to understand the concept. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the designing of a lower triangle, you can write np dot try L 1, 2, 3 and 4, then print B. Let us check the output. Now it's a lower triangular matrix. You can see all the elements in the upper triangle are 0. Let's learn some more about triangular upper and triangular lower. Suppose I write np dot triangular upper and inside np dot ones, and here I am writing 4. It means I can apply the contents of previous video. Now you can print all ones in the upper triangle. Similarly, you can print the values in lower triangle, try L, then np dot ones 4, then print B1. These are the values in lower triangle. Suppose I have to display the numbers in range, np dot then a np dot a range. Suppose I write 1, 7, 3. Print A2. Check the output. Suppose I write 11 here. Now check the output 1, 4, 7 and 10. Now why these values are 1, 4, 7 and 10? Because first value is 1 and next value is 1 plus 3. Then again plus 3 is there, again plus 3 is there, and last value is 10. Because 11 is not included. You can print the values in reverse order also. B2 is equal to np dot try L means lower triangle, np dot a range. Suppose I am writing 10 here, and 2 here and 2 here. Then print B2. Now we can print the values in reverse order. You have to write -2 here. Now it's okay. 10, 10, 8, 10, 8, 6 and 10, 8, 6 and 4. You can print according to your choice. Suppose I am writing 20 here. You can design. The matrix extends according to your entry. Hope you understand the content of upper triangular and lower triangular matrices. First of all, simple display is there, then using ones and then using range. You can display the contents of upper triangular and lower triangular matrices.